Hello. I've included in the email that I'm sending you the link to the um, website for the plugin that you've chosen. Like I recommend, anytime you use a theme or plugin, you definitely want to check the documentation to make sure that you understand the instructions for use and to make sure that it will indeed work with your version of WordPress. But with all that said, it looks like your plugin is here, CP Donations. And the first thing you want to do, of course, with any plugin or theme is look at the settings. So within here, it's asking for the CP donation business name. That's totally fine. Go over there, description, enter your email address. So enter the email address, whatever you want it to be. URL, so when someone's done with the donation form, where to return them to. Then, of course, there's a shortcode, and shortcode, of course, is something you always want to enter it into, whether it be a web page or whatever the case may be. It'll allow you to actually use that particular function of the plugin within the page, post, widget, whatever the case may be. But how do we create that? Go to Add Donation. So once you're in Add Donation, just look over the fields, and there's a description for the field, so it doesn't leave you in lurch. It's pretty easy to just identify exactly what they're wanting you to do. So enter widget name, that's self-explanatory. Enter widget description, just a short description for something that you would read, and then the default amount per item, and then select the type. Types are donation field, donation amount with editable donation amount. So once you fill all this out and click create donation widget, you're going to get a shortcode. That particular shortcode is then going to show back up within CP Donations. And once again, all this is explained on the web page there that for the plugin. So if you ever get lost on that, it is explained in there, but it'll show up here the donation name, the shortcode, and description that you put in. It'll populate here, so you're going to want to copy and paste the shortcode. And then just really quickly for you, I just went and created a page, which I'll go ahead and delete because I don't want to take up space on your menu. But inside of here, this is where the shortcode was placed, just waiting for the page to load. And the shortcode will look similar to this and will end up populating on the page just like a PayPal button normally would, and have a field to where you can enter the amount. So it'll look very much like that. Now if you want to make it just a widget on the page, then of course you will want to go to widgets. So under appearance, go to widgets. Once again, we'll wait for the page to load. You'll use text one because you'll be able to enter arbitrary text or HTML or even shortcode. And in here, you can just label it, use the same shortcode or various shortcodes depending on which ones you're wanting to use. And there you go. Looks very much the same, except it's just in a different spot. If you have any further questions, feel free to let me know. Thanks.